Did you forget the PIN or password on your Samsung Galaxy Tab? Or maybe you reset your tablet and now you are stuck on the Google verification screen because of FRP. Stay with me. In this video, let's unlock a Samsung tablet without the password and remove that FRP lock, even on devices running Android 16. And the best part, we will do both with one simple tool, DroidKit. Let's begin. DroidKit is an all-in-one Android repair and unlocking tool. It helps with common Android problems like forgotten a screen password and FRP locks. It works not only with Samsung tablets, but also with many other Android devices. What makes it better is that you don't need any advanced technical skills, because the program is designed to guide you step by step. Thanks to its clear and simple instructions, the whole process becomes easy to follow, making DroidKit a practical and accessible tool for any user. Okay, let's see how DroidKit unlock a Samsung tablet without password. First, download DroidKit from the official link in the description below. After installation, open the program and you'll see the main screen with all the Android tools that DroidKit provides. For this case, we are going to choose the option Screen Unlock. As you can see, the software shows you the supported brands and the types of locks it can remove. Click Start and connect your device with a USB cable. DroidKit will begin preparing the configuration file, and once it's ready, choose the option Erase Device Data and follow the on-screen instructions to restart your tablet. Now let's move to the device itself. You gotta press all the buttons at the same time until the tablet turns off completely. And once you're sure it's off, press only the volume up and power buttons together. As soon as the Samsung logo appears, release the power button, but keep holding volume up button for a few more seconds. If you do this correctly, you will enter the recovery menu. Using the volume buttons, scroll to the option Wipe Data Factory Reset, select it with the power button and confirm the action. This will erase all the data on the tablet, leaving it clean and without any password. After that, choose the first option to restart the device. Just wait about 5 or 10 minutes until it loads to the main screen. On your computer, you will see that DroidKit confirms the screen has been successfully unlocked. Finally, when your tablet shows the initial setup, simply configure it as new, sign in with your Google account, and set a password that you can easily remember. Did you see how easy it is? Now, what if after you reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab, it asks for the previously synced Google account and you can't remember it? That's FRP, Factory Reset Protection. If you are the real owner but you don't remember the Google account details, DroidKit also has an FRP bypass feature for supported Samsung devices. This time, select the option FRP bypass. Connect your Samsung device using a USB cable and then choose the Android version your device is running. Apply the command shown on the screen, and that's basically it. In less than 3 minutes, the program does all the hard work for you. Your tab will restart completely, free of restrictions and ready to set up with a new account. So, whether you forget the PIN on your Samsung Galaxy Tab or just stuck with FRP, DroidKit gives you 2 practical solutions in one place. If you want to try it, download DroidKit today from the official link in the description. It's the most convenient solution. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to iMobie channel for more Android tips and solutions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.